Hello everyone. In the continuation of our previous interview question video, we are back with Indeed Data Scientist interview. In this video, we will talk about the complete interview process of Indeed and what question can come in your interview. So before we start, here are a few details about DataMonk. In DataMonk, we help students to prepare different type of topic in different domains. Now let's get back to our Indeed process. So to know more about the interview process, we connected with one of the person who got selected as Indeed data scientist in Gurugram recently. So as you all know, Indeed is our employment website for job listing. The profile offered by Indeed was data scientist and location was Gurugram, India. The experience criteria was 2 years and above. The compensation offered for this role was one of the best in the industries. So in total, there were 5 rounds for the interview process. The first round was technical round based on programming questions. The second round was a domain interview round, which was based on basic question on machine learning, SQL, and your project mentioned in your resume. The third was again a technical interview round with question on probability and statistics. The fourth round was a take home assignment round, and the question was based on the application of data science. And after that, there was last round, which was hiring manager round on some personal and cultural fit questions. So now we will look into details of each round. So for the first round, it was a technical interview round. In this round, we were given some coding question and we have to write the optimized function for each question. The duration for this round was around 90 minutes and the mode of interview was on whiteboard on Google Meet. Some of the question I remember was on array and linked list. The question were like we have to merge two lists or k number of lists. For this question, we had to remember that the question asked to merge two lists, not two linked lists. And another question was to merge two sorted lists and return the list with no repeated items. Addition to this question, we also had to explain the time complexity of it. For this round, one more question was like, we were given an array of strings and asked to group the anagrams together. And we have an option in this question like we can give it in any order. The level of difficulty for this round was around medium, as question was a little bit tricky. After clearing this round, there was another round which was domain interview round on machine learning application and the project mentioned in your resume. This was a short round with duration around 30 minutes. In this round, first there was discussion about the project with some basic question on machine learning. Then after that they asked about the application of machine learning. I remember one or two questions like how to send an email to potential candidates or how to make use of response email from the candidates. Or you have a data set of housing in neighborhood and you have to estimate the cost of one house in that neighborhood. For this round, mode of interview was hangout and the difficulty criteria was in medium to hard. This round was to check whether you can visualize the problem or not. After clearing this round, there was third round, which was again a technical interview round. Most of the question was based on probability, statistic and machine learning in this round. The duration for this round was around 1 hour. And the few questions from this round were like, in probability, we were given two different set of numbers and we have to find the probability of selecting a particular type of number. There were some additional questions for this set only. And for statistic, they asked about how can you define t-test and p-value. For this round, mode of interview was hangout and the difficulty level would be in easy as they were basic questions. After clearing this round, there was a take home assignment round. In this round, they have given us a single question and we have to present them after 4 hours. It was based on data science application. The question from this round was like, we were given some categorical and some numerical variables and was asked to build a model that will predict the salary of the customer. After building the model, we have to write a full report for this problem, like how we solved it and what was our approach. It was a pretty good question and I would say difficulty level would be in easy to medium for this question. After clearing this round, there was last round which was hiring manager round. It was about our past experience and how is your communication skills. The duration for this round was 1 hour and mode of interview was on telephone call. Few of the questions asked in this round was like, tell me about yourself or tell me about how you manage the time between the projects. And some of the question was also on project, like what are your projects related to the job you have applied, or why do you want to join Indeed. The duration for whole process was around 1 to 2 weeks. And after clearing all the 5 rounds successfully, we will receive the offer letter. So now, if you want to look into each question in detail, then you can visit our website www.thedatamonk.com. That's all about the Indeed data scientist interview. Now, if you want to know more about particular interview or want to understand what type of question asked in particular domains or in particular type of company, then you can visit our website. We also have a set of question bank and article to help you to ace any type of interviews. Thank you. Hope you like the video. For more interview type of videos, do like and share the video.